Let's see, like, hold her down. Francis is having fun with it. She's rolling around.
He's going to get something else out of his room to throw at the dog. Tristan, tell the dog, bad dog. Oh, he's getting his blankie. Peekaboo.
I bet she's gonna go to sleep. Watch. Don't do that. Don't stand up then. Why do you do that?
Because it's funny.
Listen.
No,
Watch what he's gonna do with it.
I know. Listen to me. He did this morning. He drug this blanket out of his room this morning, and was playing with it. Michael.
What the hell?
It's YouTube week. Hi, what are you doing? Give me my remote. You gonna snatch my remote again? Watch him, Daddy.
That just doesn't look right.
What? No, you can't have my camera. Michael, look! It's climbing up me.
Oh my God, he climbed on the couch.
He climbed on the couch.
Using
Good job, Bubba. Michael. Can you help me, please?
Coming. Come here, you little monster. Ooh. What's that?
I don't have anything else up here for you to play with. You gotta go. Where are your toys?
All over the place.
Abby, are you tired? Abby, fix your tongue. Fix your tongue. Thank you. Bubba, where's your water so I can give Abby a drink?